Puerto Rico has been recouping, of course, after the hurricane. It's been about 7 to almost 8 months now after the devastation. But there's still areas without electricity, lack of water. But the main thing about what's the need about Puerto Rico is the houses. The winds were so strong, people lost everything in the inside. So you have those seniors that are still going through very hard times as they're not able to get, the basic things that they need to stay in their homes. They have just the blue tarp, but those blue tarps are starting to wear off. We're in Loiza, Puerto Rico, and we were focused on those type of houses that were completely affected by the hurricane. So Tivity Health had a hurricane relief fund. They decided to apply $25,000 for this type of project.
When we established this relief fund and those dollars went towards the vulnerable population, the seniors, I wanted it to be done in the population that I believe could be left out the most during these hurricanes.
Tivity Health not only put the $25,000 towards this project, but they allowed 34 colleagues from the company that have decided to come here and spend all this time to help those in extremely great need.
I wanted to go to help those in need. I think that's an important thing to do no matter what your job is.
I have an odd passion like most of us do for seniors. I wanted to help out any way I could, and I thought it was a really great opportunity to kind of get outside my box. I've never done anything like this, and help seniors in a different way.
Well, it sounds like an incredible opportunity, just because I am the kind of person that I just want to get in and roll up my sleeves and help out where I can. And then there was also the additional opportunity to engage with our colleagues in a different way. And it was really kind of cool to see how all these colleagues from different parts of the organization, some of them who had never met each other before, really jumped in to get this work done.
But I think really what motivated me in the initial part was people needed help, and I really love this company. I've worked here for 10 years, and I thought, I want to be part of this.
There were 4 homes to begin with, and I think they expanded into 5 or 6, where we were taking off old roofs, putting on new roofs.
A lot of construction. Construction meaning building roofs, repairing roofs, laying down foundation, taking out furniture, painting walls. The other part of the team was building IKEA furniture. Probably, I'm not sure how many pieces of furniture were involved, but it was a huge task.
And outside of just building out the houses, we also had an opportunity to meet with some seniors that were in a retirement center.
And we also brought them gifts of just bed sheets, a shirt, perfume.
My senior, she was blind, so we were trying to describe what we provided her in her little goodie bag. And then we sprayed on the little body spray for her, and I don't think I've ever seen anyone smile as big as she did when she smelt the body spray.
But just holding their hand even and letting them talk, letting them say their story, and you don't have to understand what is being said to feel what their intent is.
And it was a really pretty big day for them, even though for us it was half an hour, 45-minute stop in our day. But to them, to have that many people there kind of caring and giving, and I really thought that was such a cool experience.
And so it was really just an opportunity to connect with these people and to help them understand and believe that they've not been forgotten about.
I think yesterday, seeing Teresa's expression as she was seeing for the first time her bathroom, when she looked in the mirror, she was looking at the sink. She kept saying, "Oh, this is so beautiful, this is so beautiful." And when she looked up to that mirror and just looked at herself, she just couldn't content herself. Those are the expressions that when you see, you just can't forget. It just sticks there. That for me was one of my biggest moments in this project.
Seeing the looks on their faces, that hits you. Then you go, okay, this is why we do this. This is why I will come back. This is why I'll do this again.
I don't know that I can express gratitude enough. It's still emotional for me. It is so amazing that they allowed us to do this. It was an amazing opportunity that just makes you want to go out and do more.
For them to be so supportive just continues to show what a wonderful company we work for.
It just reflects the culture that we've aspired to. Look forward to more opportunities.
What we did was so empowering because we did a little bit. We helped 4 families. But it's 4 families who have extended families who can at least come and congregate and talk and be together now in a safer place because now they have a roof and they have a place to sit. But it's something that a lot of people can still help with. We can still do more, even just a little bit.